Today we are going to talk about the food choices that you can make when you are traveling. The number one point is you should always carry your own food while you're traveling. For example, you can carry your own set of healthy protein bars, roasted snacks, healthy nuts, and whole fruits like apples, bananas, oranges. The second most important point is you have to sip water throughout the day. You have to stay well hydrated, and you have to skip on diuretics like alcohol, tea and coffee, and also make sure that you are unnecessarily not binging, and also make sure that you are unnecessarily not consuming too much of colas or sweetened drinks. Plain water reduces food cravings in between the meals. It also provides you with the much needed energy that you need while traveling. The third important point is you can stock your hotel refrigerators and room with healthy snacks, roasted snacks, nuts, whole fruits, buttermilk, so that it will help you from binging on the unhealthy, creamy and high calorie snacks. Number fourth point is make healthy choices when you are choosing your food from the menu. Like you can go ahead with tandoori roti instead of naan. You can select plain tadka dal instead of dal makhani, or you can also order sizzlers and salads as compared to the fried vegetables. The last important point is that eat wholesome breakfast. A good breakfast is going to prepare you for the full day of activity, but please don't binge on the hotel buffet. You may choose the options that you generally eat at home. Most restaurants and hotels also provide with high protein and fiber options like whole wheat bread, oats, milk, muesli, multigrains, which will provide you the much needed energy that you require throughout the day.